Hey guys, it's me Sarthak Chavan, factory rider for Petronas TVS Racing from Pune, Maharashtra, and KYT Helmets athlete.
While choosing a riding gear, let's say a racing helmet, what is the different preferences that you have or you look while choosing one?
Yes, as you said, it is the primary and most important thing from the riding gear, choosing a right helmet. So, in my preference, I don't look at more at the colors or what the show is, but importantly how the helmet fits me and how aerodynamically well it is made to go faster on a track. So there are some various types which we need to look at as professionals on the track to achieve more better results or more better lap times. They got also the helmet, and I would also like to mention how light the helmet is.
Correct.
Because a heavy helmet makes it difficult for the head and
race and tuck in
yes.
and stuff.
So I would say a lighter helmet and more aerodynamically advantaged helmet would be my better choice.
Okay, great. So my follow-up question to that: how has KYT helmet been placed in you choosing to go with KYT in those aspects that you just spoke about?
Starting from comparing the NZ race to the KX1 race GP helmet, I think KYT has made a big step because we look at both the helmets and both are like comparatively very different in terms of size, shape and design. Now the helmet which I've been using fits really well, and the vision which is been provided is very superior than the NZ race. Also the NZ race was a top of the line helmet, but now with KYT KX1 GP, I think they've made a step up, and I think it is high safety level helmet.
Because you're pushing your bikes and racing to the limits. In that aspect, were you wearing a KYT helmet when you had a crash? How did you come out of it? Can you explain the crash?
Yes, I've had many crashes and many broken helmets, but also the support from KYT Helmets India is very good. I crash and the helmet gets replaced with a new. So the service and everything which they provide to the riders, also the respect is like on another level. I am very happy to work with them.
So wearing a helmet, despite the intensity that you guys are racing in, the dangers of racing, it gives you confidence is what you are trying to tell. Okay, cool. You mentioned that you had a crash and you had to keep your helmet safe. You have to inspect your helmet or upkeep your helmet after the crash and to continue racing, right? So how has KYT helmets helped you to do that, to get back on the saddle after you come back from the crash?
Yes, so as of now we have a KYT service station at racetracks, at the Indian National Motorcycle Championship and also at the Asia Road Racing. And it is them who decide if the helmet can be used again or the rider needs a new one. So having a service station on the track is like a very important thing for the rider. Now normally on my helmet I like to have one tear off for the race, and it makes it so easy for me. I just need to bring my helmet here and then they can service it and also put the tear off for me. So this is service which is very, very nice.
Okay. Coming from racetrack, we go to the real world. So do you use other KYT helmets, maybe off-road if you're racing or on the streets when you're commuting?
Yes, I do use KYT helmets of the circuit racetrack. I like to do a lot of off-road stuff, supercross and motocross. I really like the Skyhawk helmet. The manufacturers have brought in some great designs on them. They look really awesome. And also when I'm off to my college, I use KYT helmets, the road series, half-faced helmets. Quite safe, so they're important.
Okay, cool. Now finally, before we end this conversation, can you tell me the helmet, because we have never seen KYT helmet model. Is this custom made? Can you explain a little bit about this helmet?
So yes, I have been working for many years with KYT, and together we've come up with a new helmet design for my domestic international level competitions. Together with KYT Helmets India and Loco Design, we've come up with this awesome design with great racing lines, great colors, and importantly Ganpati here. So in my opinion, it is the best ever helmet I have seen in Indian.
I have been a fan of this helmet ever since I saw it at IBW.
Looks amazing.
So finally, Sarthak, what would you like to tell in one word about KYT helmet to our viewers?
World class helmet. That is what KYT says, and it is true. World class helmets.
It is true.
Yes, sir. The first helmet which I used on the track was KYT,
Okay.
which was bought by my father
Okay.
and was paid, not sponsored. But now I ride for the same manufacturer as a sponsored athlete. It is, I think I have also improved a lot to have been achieved this feat.
Cool. All right, Sarthak, we wish you the best for your racing career.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.